And now, an interview for the Northwest Arkansas Train Show.
Hey Linus, watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat.
But that trick never works.
Dad's training room. Must have grabbed the wrong hat. Hang on a second.
Try the one on the left.
Watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat now. Dad's training room. How many hats do I have in here? Hold on, Linus.
Your other left.
Ha ha! I got a rabbit! I knew that trick would work. Man, I almost ran out of hats too.
That's great. So now can we go to the interview?
Yeah, this we can set up. Get the sign. Okay. Hi, I'm here with Dennis, and this is Dennis's G-scale traveling layout, which is a whole trailer that he sets up. Can you say something about it, Dennis?
One of the things that the trailer is designed to where everything folds out, and then there's a box on the inside that has the corners in. So we take the corners out, and then we bolt them to the ends and the sides. We get everything leveled up and electricity onto it. We're ready to run trains. The beauty of this is all of the scenery is made out of lightweight foam. That way that whenever we travel, there's not an excessive amount of weight. And whenever it goes down, everything, all the figures, the vehicles, and everything is in place. So we don't have to put all of this stuff out every time that we set it up. So it's a lot of fun.
How long does it take to set this up?
Takes three of us about an hour and a half to set it up. About 45 minutes to an hour to tear it down.
And we're going to put a link to a YouTube video showing them doing the setup. I really appreciate your time. I really do.
Thank you.
This is fantastic. I love your little skeleton on the other side. Yeah. That's the little Easter eggs. It's just awesome.
Just the little things like that.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
Shows something about the people who build it.
Yeah, yeah. Some of it, you don't have to be crazy to do this, but it helps.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. I got all the Thomases.
That opening right there?
What opening?
Right there. Wheel water for the water wheel. Looks like he's doing metal work in there.
Blacksmith,
Yeah.
Look at the coal. It's even red.
Yeah. And the sign?
Blacksmith Quint Asplin. That is Burt Reynolds when he played Gunsmoke. That was his name, Quint
Was it?
Asplin.
I didn't know he was on Gunsmoke.
Oh yeah, he was on Gunsmoke about 8 years. He was the blacksmith. You ever get on?
You got the birds on there?
You ever get on Large Scale Central and mylargescale.com?
No, I've never heard of it.
Really?
I live in a bubble.
Man, you need to get on those things. Do you have access to your Facebook of all the different G-scale things are on Facebook?
He does.
Well, he doesn't really go on Facebook much.
I do the YouTube channel. He's showing me how to do YouTube.
Yep.
But I don't. I spend most of the time in the factory.
I understand that.
Look at this one.
Zooming in.
Did you find the figures? Did you build the figures?
No, those are just commercial figures. Not, I 3D printed my barrels. I'm going to 3D print some figures some of these days.
We do a lot of 3D printing on 4 hours as well.
Wait, let me see those barrels. The barrels, you 3D printed those?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I 3D printed a lot of doors and windows.
Ah.
I thought I was the one 3D printed for these things.
Oh no. I actually have my own shingle splitter. It's actually redwood.
Yeah?
I actually split the shingles and it's powered by a cordless drill. Yeah, you need to get onto mylargescale.com and largescalecentral.com and get on the forums.
Yeah?
I've got a lot of my stuff on there. And another thing too is I can get you, have you heard of Flickr Photo? It's a photo storage facility.
Yeah?
And
My hat has chocolate bunnies in it. This will be great for Easter.
Hey Andrew, how did the train engineer get so good at his job? Training. Yeah, that's a good one. I was looking everywhere for that. That's about all the time we have this week for Dad's Train Room. I wanted to thank everybody for watching. We're having a lot of fun making these. And please come to our channel. Check it out. Subscribe. You'll laugh. You'll cry. And it's free, so you're not going to kiss any money goodbye. I would like to say a special thanks to our very wonderful fans, Bowden, Reagan, and Kennedy. I want to let you know that we are sending you these Dad's Train Room Engineer hats embroidered with the name, and we hope that you enjoy them and you are having a wonderful time. See you all next week.